Hey, welcome back everyone. Today we're going to be breaking another box of Topps Chrome Marvel Studios. I got this at GameStop. Their price is actually better than eBay and my local card shops by a lot. Some shops charge $4.25 a box around here, and another one is $3.80. I won't mention their names, but go to GameStop. This is an actual hobby box. Well, let's get to it and see if we get anything good. Always hoping for a nice Daphne Keene autograph. Of course, any of the A-listers. I think Ryan Reynolds is really hot autograph. The Wolverine Deadpool dual auto is pretty crazy. That would be nice. Or any low number superfractor or something. I mean, this is cool. The fact that GameStop actually has this for a lot less than the hobby stores is, a bonus on its own. I mean, literally after tax, it was only like almost $3.60. While everyone else is charging, like an arm and a leg. Which side should we start? Let's go here. Let's go with this top one on the left. Let's see if we get any colors. All right. No, this one's a plain pack, I think. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Foggy Nelson. Billy Maximoff. Thanos. Ooh, that's cool. Thanos and Galactus. Same pack. I like those. All right. Next pack. Yeah, I know. You guys are thinking, well, if you get nothing, you know why? Oh, it's dinged. Come on, Topps. Some quality control. What's this? Oh, Whiplash. Ulysses. John F. Walker. Ben Grimm. First. Oh, numbered to 99. Pagon. All right. First numbered insert. I saw some breaks where like the good stuff's in the middle. So if we get nothing here, we'll start on the right. Ooh, another refractor. Okay. Melina Vostokov. Jane Foster. Lee. Agent Phil Coulson. Hyper Atuma. Ooh, Mark Spector Moon Knight on the refractor. Korg. Cool. I'll put those aside. All right, now we'll go over this way. All right, nothing too crazy. Starting out as a minus. Still no colors. The Wasp. Mel. Okoye. Lee on the refractor. Frigga. Ying Nan. Not yin and yang, but Ying Nan. Still no colors. Like to get something cool. Come on, come on. This is literally my fourth box. I've only recorded 2. The other ones I opened in store, so I didn't really record it. Ooh, an orange. Is that an orange? Because if it is, it could be numbered to 25. Hopefully it's a prominent character. Ooh, like Spider-Man. All right, let's see. It's orange. Ronin on the orange, numbered to 25. Cool. Cool. That might be something like 20 bucks. Ooh, another refractor. Oh, ooh, double refractor in here. That's cool. Oh, Human Torch. That's nice. Oh, Agent Phil Coulson on the refractor. That's cool. All right. So far, no good. You got an orange, though. All right. Phase 5. Here we go. Let's get a color. No colors. No. I like this card. That's cool. I got a refractor of it already. I mean, at least there's some cool characters in here. Rachel Weisz. You know, when I bought this, I literally bought it because it was so much cheaper than anywhere else. Not expecting anything. I mean, my luck lately with boxes has been like horrible. Oh, is that Orange Wave? Orange Wave is good, maybe. Oh, wow, that looks nice. It's Ego. That's cool. Sharon Carter, wow. Kurt Russell, 2 of 25. That's actually not too shabby. There's only one numbered left, right? I got 2 numbers already. 1 numbered left. No autos. Well, you're not guaranteed an auto, so. There's an auto. Oh my God, it's Whiplash. That is pretty awesome. That is cool. That is cool. Wow, Mickey Rourke. That is pretty awesome. Let me get a sleeve. Okay, that's not too bad. That's not too bad. I mean, normally you get an autograph of someone and it's not not an actor that is famous, right? So you get a good autograph. That's cool. It's got a little bit of a stain there. You know what? I got one of those lint, those scratch-resistant cloths that I use. Let me see. Yeah, that I use. Wow, that's really cool. And I just brush away like this. See? Oh, look at that. It looks better already. And as you notice, it's not scratching the surface. That's cool. I like. Now I sleeve these, I like to curl the corners so that it doesn't even touch it. Wow, that is cool, man. That is really cool. Did not expect a good autograph, you know? You never do. Yeah, I mean, these, it's like sports cards, right? You never. All right, and then we got Drax on the Hyper. Oh wow, and Jane Foster is also a holo refractor. Okay, hey, you know what? That's pretty cool. I think we got 1 numbered insert left. I mean, I don't think I'm gonna top that unless this is a superfractor or a red. That's awesome. All right, Gilgamesh. All right, do we have color? We have green. That's numbered to 199. Yep, debut. Ooh, the Void, numbered to 199. That's awesome. Wow, okay, this box is not too shabby. Can't complain. Usually you don't even get autographs. This is awesome. All right, thanks for watching.